Aim: to find the focal length of a concave lens with the help of a convex lens. The apparatus for this experiment is as shown. While setting up the apparatus in actual lab, make sure that optical bench is placed on rigid table. Make it horizontal using a spirit level and leveling screws. Also, ensure that height of these pins must be equal to the height of the pole of the mirror. Approximate focal length of convex lens is given in observation table. Separate the object needle from the convex lens by a distance slightly greater than the focal length FL of the lens. Locate its real and inverted image on the other side of the lens by removing the parallax between the image needle and image of the object needle. Read the positions of the object needle, convex lens and image needle. Record these in observations table. Click here to insert the concave lens without changing the position of the convex lens and object needle. As a result, the image of object pin will shift further from the convex lens to some other point. Adjust the position of the concave lens so that the new image formed is sufficiently away from the point of previous image. If the image formed by combination of convex and concave lens is distinctly visible, then note down the position of the concave lens and newly image formed. Calculate and interpret the result.